Hello and welcome to an episode of building the Lego train set. My mate's been round and had a quick look at it and immediately pointed out that I've got one of my windows inside out. I don't know if you can see that, okay, it's actually inside out, whereas that's flat and that goes in, so that's incorrect, and we're going to have to fix that, which once again we take a bit apart. All right, come down. There we are. And down you come. Okay. So once again, we've got to take a piece apart here, which I hope won't be too much trouble. Looks like the top one. Yeah, that'll be easy. I hope. I should never say that, really. There we go. All right, and click that out. Put that in the correct way there. Oops. We always knock something else out, don't we? Wasn't just something fell out then? I heard something fall out then. No. I think that's all right. You see, that's flat now with the rest of it. And what was next? That goes there, I think. Yes. Goes on the top here. And one on the top here. That's it. Well, not too much pain there, was there? And finally this on the top. There we go. Right, okey doke. Happy days. Fixed. Right. So, we're complete on this now. As I said at the last of the video, I don't know why it's showing us the two power controllers here. There's the on button here. Right. I don't know why it's not telling me to do anything, so we'll just leave that there and move on to our next book. So that's 2 and 3. We've now got book 4 and 5. There it is. Book 4 and 5. We've already done 1. And we're building the coach. Okay, the coach that goes presumably in the middle somewhere. So, bag number 4. There it is. And we start with these. Actually, I think they're in this bag, aren't they? Although, yes, they're in here, those. This is another bag that one of the power controllers came in. Is the light a little bit too bright for you today? Let me just turn that down a bit. That looks like it's reflecting a little bit too much. Let's see if that's any better. How's that do? Any better or no different? Well, okay. So we need 2 of these things, which look like they're in here. Yep. Here we go. 2 of these here. And it's also telling us to empty our bag of stuff, and it looks like we're going to build a lot of little people here. Right? Let's get this open. I like to smell the air in these bags, do you? Oh, nice and new. So we've got another little bag within the big bag, and another one there which looks like bits of people in there. Again, this here. Right, what are we doing first? People. Brown legs, a red top and something blue, okay? Actually, it might be an idea to just get the people parts out and put them all in some sort of order, I reckon. Oh, we found that already. Brown legs, a red bit in the middle, which we'll just click on there. So, and a blue, what is that, a blue jacket or something there? Looks like a blue jacket. That's going to be in here, I think. Let me get these, what I think are all the other little people parts in some sort of pile here, and that'll be a lot easier then. Thanks very much. I think it was Rob who's enjoying these videos. I'm sure it's Rob who said he was enjoying the videos very much. So thank you, Rob, for saying that. He finds them very relaxing, as indeed Maureen, who sent a little message in. So if you do find these little videos relaxing of me just chatting away and putting this together, I'm glad you're along for the ride. All right. Okay. So these are lots of people parts in there that I can see. We're looking for this blue jacket here, you see. Blue jacket, which is here. There it is. Which goes down, oops, over the head. Okay. Or what will be the head. Little blue jacket on there. And we want a little yellow head of a smiley face. Which one is it? There's girls and there's boys. There we are. It's this one. Because there's different ones. Little smiley face. Are you just about to see that, can you? Okay. I don't know if my sister's still with us. Are you still with us watching this show, or did you get bored? And hair. Blondie type hair. Okay. Oh, this lad's in a wheelchair, is he? Okay, fair enough. There's a blondie hair. You know how the kids have the hair over their eyes? Just like that, look. Right, and some sort of wheelchair here we should have. There it is. Oh, that's great, isn't it, to include other people on there. We build the wheelchair, 2 wheels. And a couple of wheels on the front, that's the little ones there. There we are. And put our little man sitting down. Oh, that's great, that is. I'm so pleased that Lego have included someone, like a little disabled character. That's great, that is. So I'll put him to the side there. You see, I thought that was several people there. There's a lady to build. We haven't built her yet, so that's it. Black shoes, black legs, blue body. Clicks together like that. Lady's face, which we saw earlier, there it is. Lady's face, there you go. And some hair. Do you know what she looked? She's got hair like my mum used to have. Look at that. Done. Put her next to the lady with a wheelchair. I bet she's going to be pushing this wheelchair at some point. You don't. Here we go. Right. Let's get number one of these up now. We're going to build this now. Okay. 2 long things to go with that. Here they are. 1. Oh no, it's one long thing, which goes under here like that. Just fits in the slot there like that, right? Turn it over. What are we doing here? Oh, I see. That one goes on the other side, does it? Right, okay. Can you see what they've done there? I couldn't understand what was going on there. So you take the other piece and just basically join it on. Like that. Probably the undercarriage, I would imagine. Just like that. Now we're making something else there, okay. Just put this to the side for one moment with the people. Two grey things. Two yellow things. Four black things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two little grey things. Two red. And two. Oh, they look like buffers. They've got to be buffers. Have I got buffers there, or are they in the other bag? Can't find my buffers. Well, I've got these things. I don't know if they're anything. Let me come back to those. There's definitely nothing else there that looks like that. Unless we're making that with these. Okay, 1 says take that. 2, put that on there. Let's see how this looks when it's finished. 3, put another one on there. Right. Like that. Then we put a red thing over the middle. I think we're making 2 of these. But it's looking for buffers, and I can't find those unless they're in another bag, which they could be, I suppose. Whoa! There you go, in another bag. Look at that. Happy days. That's one we opened earlier. You may remember with the power controllers. You know, there was a couple of extra bags with no numbers on it. So clearly that's what they're from there. This will go. Okay, let's just put a little grey thing there. On the back. And this goes in front of that with 1, 2, 4, 6 showing. 2, 4, 6 showing. How does that click in here then? Like that? Oh, there we go. Ah. Happy days. There's the buffers, there we are. See the buffers there? And then on top of that goes the yellow thing. There we are. And we make a second one of those, exactly the same as the first one. Would you like to come a little bit closer? We're kind of a bit far away there, aren't you? Are you usually closer than this, or is this normal? I don't know. I want you to be able to see it, you know. 2 of those on there. Okay, the red thing across the middle, I think it was. Like that. Little grey thing here. Buffers on the front. and the yellow thing on the top. And by the looks of it, we are going to fix this to here. And I can just see the edge of the little yellow bits in the middle there. So clearly that fits with the buffers facing outwards, okay? Outwards, and that's just going to click in there. We should get a decent click with this. Ready? Oh, I love it. And this side as well. Again, buffers on the outside. And click. Ready? Oh, I love it. Love it. Now that doesn't roll. Oh, of course, there's no wheels on it yet, is it? That's right. Okay. All right. Page 5. Flat things and corner things. Right. 1. 2 of those. And 6 corner things. Which look like they're in here. Yep, they're in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Fairly simple putting this little lot together here, right? By the way, if you didn't know, I've been very busy the last couple of days because I was having some birthday celebrations which went really well. Okay, so that's where I've been. Corner bits go inwards. And then the same along the other side. Presumably there's a back and a front to this. Now how would you tell that? Oh, I see. I'll show you in a minute. Right, because you don't want to get these the wrong way round, do you? Oh, well, no, you can't. It doesn't matter. It'll be the same either way. I always try and line it up in the picture, you know, just like that. And that looks right to me. Good. Next bit. We've got a blue square around thingamajig, which I saw somewhere. There's a round thing. And a little white, unusual white looking thing. Don't know what that is. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Don't even notice that coming out the bag. So we're making this, which sits there. Okay. And it's sitting, by the looks of it, right at the side rather than in the middle, I do believe. So I'll clip that there like that. That's definitely on the side there, you see. Right. And the, where's that go then? The blue bit goes on the top there. And then this strange round thing goes at the back. There. Good. I feel we're moving along really quickly now. Right, page 7. 2 long grey things. Yeah, can we see where they're going? Along the sides. Okay, each side. Oh, lovely click. Give me another one. plate. Okay. And now 4 of these little square white things. Four double greys. And 4 cornery type things, these. One, 2, 3, 4. And these are going, by the looks of it, in these 4 corners, and the white things in front of those. So we get a double thing on the end there, then a slanting bit, and then a little white bit. Oops, that's fallen off. And you do the same on all 4 corners. All right. Coming along nicely, isn't it? And there's another little 20 minutes of relaxation for you. Another one soon. Thanks for watching.